Okay, I'm gonna know I'm coming back home. We bought a Mustang. We bought this Mustang. It's the 2003, maybe 2002? 2002?
Yeah.
You say 2002, I think. We're gonna check. Mustang SN95 GT. It's a GT. It's got the V8. If I can find the latch, it's not even close. It's got the giant American V8 from SN95 era. This is the 4th generation Mustang. Not particularly fast, only 260 horsepower. But I think there's a lot of stuff online to get it to be a little faster. It was the cheapest Mustang in all of Canada, and it was cheap because, well, this part. Someone ran into the driver here, and that's the issue. So we've got some broken suspension, fender, some bumper, a broken glass. But the best part of the Mustang so far is the interior. It's got a really, really nice interior, and this for me completely sold the car. This is a nice back, a nice clean Mustang with a nice leather interior. So that's it with the Mustang. Over the next couple videos, we're going to be trying to fix the Mustang, trying to get it on the road. And for now, I want to say thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers.